Okay, good morning everyone. Today is the last day. We are leaving from Ayodhya Pahar, Purulia, but we would be going ahead to Muruguma forest or something like that. I don't know the exact name. So what we are planning, we'll visit Muruguma forest first and then take the route through the Joypur forest. I do not know the names exactly, but then I'll let you know an update on this vlog. So this is the place where we had our roasted chicken vagera last night and it was good. I mean, the whole stay here was good and very cheap. We enjoyed in every way possible. This trip to Ayodhya Pahar was really on a very tight budget. I mean, we were staying here for 3 days, 2 nights, had all the good food that we could, enjoyed ourselves as much as we could, traveled as much as we could. I mean, no shortcuts to that. But yes, the place where we stayed was definitely this one. To have that kind of rural feeling, we stayed at this place and we enjoyed the stay, no doubt about that. And the total cost was approximately, last night as we calculated per split wise, my expenses were 2,200 only, excluding fuel. So that is really very cheap, and I would say you can come here. I mean, winter is a great time to come here, enjoy over the weekend. So I'm also looking forward to come here once again. Okay, so we have started our journey towards Muruguma forest. The time right now is 10:07 AM. Shumale forgot something, so he went back to the camp once again. Ankush, Shagnik and Sumanjan have already left because they had some work back home. That's why they had to leave. So this is the road towards Muruguma forest, and basically all roads here look the same. During summers it's too hot out here, so summers are not at all the season you would want to visit Ayodhya Pahar. There is some good construction going on here, so you can see all this good road. I mean, a few years ago the condition of these roads were not that good. Right now it's pretty good. Saraswati Pujo chanda এখন থেকে কোথায় December must have. That was the chanda for Saraswati Puja. I mean, this whole area is a tribal area, so you can't expect, so they don't expect too many cars and motorcycles or tourists around this place. There are a lot of tourists, but not towards this Muruguma side. So we were talking to the camp owners there, campsite owners there. They are also from Kolkata. The owners of the camp where we are staying, they know Ankush, and that's why we got a booking here even before it opened. So the thing is that this whole place is a tribal land, and so if you want to buy land you cannot, as per what I heard from them. So you can lease land for 20 years here, just in case you want to do some business or make a campsite, earn some money, make a long-term investment in short. And yes, those of you who are looking to make some investment in a cheap but good place, this is one. Ayodhya Pahar is definitely one good place, although tourists do not come here during summer season. It's extremely hot. So the winter and February, October, November, December, January, February, March, that is the season period. So in case you don't know, this place is pretty famous for wild elephants. Yeah, I mean, you can see these bushes around. You can barely see if there is an elephant or anything coming out of there. Wow, I guess that's the first view of the dam that you see. That's the Muruguma dam. This is the Muruguma forest. Love nature. I mean, had there been 3 or 4 guys carrying tents wanting to camp here without any camping support, but that would be illegal, I guess, because this is a forest area and a tribal area, and as per Indian laws you are not allowed to camp in forest areas without permission. And I don't know the procedure to get permission, so generally whenever I camp I ensure that that's a private property belonging to some person who देखो वहाँ पे पिकनिक मना रहे हैं कैसे. So this, my friends, is the Muruguma dam. So that, my friends, is the Muruguma dam. We're just waiting for Tanik and Shayon because those guys have taken a different route and gone towards the other patch of road. So we are waiting for them. Once they come, we'll leave this place and head straight towards Purulia, maybe through the Joypur forest and then ahead. So the initial portion of the road from after the Muruguma dam is through villages, pretty densely populated villages, and the roads are narrow. Children are playing on both sides of the road, so you need to be very careful and attentive, because hitting someone is the last thing you would want to do. So after the village roads and narrow roads, you get this Ranchi Purulia road, which is nice and wide. Yeah, this is the road where you can make up some time. Kholo, jaldi kholo. We are crossing Purulia now, and after Purulia we'll take the roads towards the Joypur forest. The roads are truly awesome. I mean, starting from Purulia onwards, the roads are great, super, and there is not too much traffic as you would expect on 25th of December. This is one of the very less used roads, but then this road is very well built. This is Bankura and this is towards Dhaldaga. We will go towards Dhaldaga. Okay, so this is one of the toll gates on the state highway, and I'll tell you what, every penny paid for this toll is worth it. And right now they haven't yet started charging for this toll, but then such a beautiful road. Ki chilo bhai, shata rasta, ar moja ese gate chaliye, ei sob rasta te chalabar jonno to asha. This is once again another toll gate, but then this has also not started yet. Okay, so we have reached Vishnupur and now we're heading towards Joypur Forest Road. We'll have a lunch somewhere in between, but that's about it. So we have left Vishnupur and we are heading towards Joypur Forest or Jungle Mahal. We are going to have some lunch there. There is a restaurant named Bonolota. That's what we are looking for right now. Sharon says that that's a very good restaurant, so we'll definitely try it out. Before this trip, I had a wrong perception about the inner roads. It is the road that comes from Purulia to Bankura to Vishnupur. I had a completely wrong perception. I see that these roads are pretty well built. I mean, for motorcycles, they are absolutely fine. In fact, a few stretches are superb built. Okay, so we had some good food here at Bonolota restaurant, and now there's no stopping. We'll just head towards home. So it's 7:10 PM right now, and we are somewhere near Dankuni, going to reach Dankuni, and I would probably reach in another 1 or 1.5 hours, probably 2 hours, I don't know. So that's about it. I guess I'll end the vlog right here because after I reach home I'll be very tired. I hope you like the vlog. If you love this vlog, do not forget to hit the like button and do subscribe.